Welcome to Naveen Automation Labs, guys. Please subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get some interesting videos on Selenium and automation. Guys, we will be discussing some amazing tools and technologies, so please keep watching the videos. Hello, welcome to Selenium training, guys. Okay, guys, so today I'm going to cover one very simple and small topic, and sometimes they might ask you at a time of interview, and sometime it will really help you. Okay, if you really want to do some desktop application automation or some image processing automation. Okay, in that case, sikuli will be there. Sikuli is the open source which is developed by license developed by MIT. Okay, and it's a very simple tool, and some utilities are available in sikuli, and it's totally based on image processing. So it will just read the images, and then on the basis of that it will perform the action. It will click on that particular image. Let's see, especially for Flash objects, because in Selenium WebDriver we don't have any Flash APIs. Okay, let's say you want to pause play the video and pause the video. Okay, in that case, you have to perform. You cannot do with Selenium. Okay, if you want to pause the video and if you want to play the video again, in that case you have to use Sikuli. Okay, so Sikuli is very simple, guys. But the concept is that you have to capture the images, okay, on which image you want to perform the action. So on the basis of that, you have to capture the images and then you have to perform dot click option. So now let's see, this is my, let's see, one YouTube video is there. This is not my video, YouTube video, any random video we can pick. I want, and after coming on this page, let's see, this is the URL, and I'll enter this URL, and you will see that I want to click on this mute, okay, button, this mute icon. Then I click on this pause, and I want to click on this, let's see, settings, and I want to click on this. So all these are Flash objects. It's coming through Flash. Okay, so Selenium cannot automate these Flash objects. Okay, so let's see, some Flash images are there, especially your e-commerce application. Okay, some Flash carousels are there. In that case, we cannot automate using Selenium. So how to do that? So Flash objects, Flash testing is done by, okay, that is Sikuli. We can use Sikuli for that. There are other tools and technologies are there in the market. Okay, with QTP also we can do that, Flash testing, Flash automation. But Sikuli is very simple, and it's totally based on Java. So what you have to do, first thing you have to do, you have to download Sikuli jar file. Okay, so Sikuli, earlier it was known with Sikuli. Now it is called Sikuli X API. Okay, so the latest version of Sikuli is Sikuli X API, and the version is 1.1.0. So you have to download this particular jar file, or you can create a Maven project, and then you can add this particular dependency in your project. Okay, so either of them. So let's say I'm going to create one Maven project, and we will add this dependency. But there are some limitations with Sikuli. The first limitation is that it cannot open any browser. Okay, obviously Selenium we have WebDriver driver equal to new Chrome driver, but in Sikuli we don't have any such things. Such options are available that it will not open any browser, it will not open any URL also. So for that purpose we need Selenium WebDriver. So that's why for our knowledge point of view, we don't need to learn complete Sikuli APIs and complete Sikuli automation. No, if it is not, I won't prefer to do that. I'll integrate my Selenium test cases with Sikuli. Okay, so that, let's see, file uploads you have to do. Okay, on Windows application or desktop application. Let's see, Flash objects. In that case, to launch the browser, I'll use WebDriver, and to handle these kind of image processing and all those things, I'll be using Sikuli for that. Okay, so quickly let's do that. So today I'll take one example. We will click on the YouTube, play button, pause button, okay, and mute button, okay, settings button. We will click on it. But before that, you have to download this particular jar file, or you can add in your Maven dependency. So what I'll do, I'll create a new fresh project, and simple click on new, and I'll create just a minute, I'll create a Maven project. Let me create again, sorry, new project, and my project will be, let's see, Maven project. Okay, and click on next. Click on next. Let's see, my project name is Sikuli concept test. Okay, and this is my group ID and this is my artifact ID, and I'm using, guys, Maven project. And the moment you click on it, you will see that at the left hand side the Sikuli concept test got created. And I'll delete these two packages. I don't need these dummy packages. I'll delete. So we have two resource folders, src main java and src test java. And what I'll do, I'll open my pom.xml file. So what I need first, I need, okay, I'll remove this dependency for JUnit because I don't need JUnit. Okay, and we will add the dependency first for Sikuli. So this is the dependency for Sikuli. So I'll copy this thing and I'll paste it over here. Okay, and then I'll save it. The moment I save it, you see in SR's in Maven dependency, Sikuli jar files got added. So all this, supported jar files of Sikuli will be added over here. Okay, guys. Another thing is, just a minute. Another thing is what we have to do. We have to, obviously we have to add WebDriver. Okay, dependency we have to add. So WebDriver dependency, the latest version of WebDriver, quickly I'll add. So this is the WebDriver dependency. See, guys, latest, I think yesterday only they released 3.6.0. Okay, so latest version is 3.6.0 now. And I'll add the dependency of WebDriver also. And I'll save it. You will see that it will download WebDriver dependencies. All the jar files of WebDriver will be downloaded and it will be associated with your project. So it's still running. So let it complete first. And all the Selenium jar files along with Sikuli got added over here. Got it. Now we are ready to write our code. Okay. So first, inside our src main java, I'll create one class. Let's see, my class name is Sikuli, or maybe I'll write proper name, that is YouTube video test, like this. Select the main method, click on finish, and what I'll do, I'll launch my Google Chrome. Okay, so simple. I'll take that code, okay, from my previous classes. So how to launch Google Chrome, that I'm not going to cover. So many times we have covered. Let's see, this is the code till here, entering the URL. Okay, till here, and I'll change the URL to this particular URL. I'll take this YouTube URL, this one, and I'll enter the URL over here. This is my YouTube URL, right? Now, guys, one thing, remember what you have to do in Sikuli. What we have to do, that in Sikuli you have to capture the images. Okay, you have to take the screenshot of that particular element. In Selenium, what we do, we interact with the elements, but in Sikuli it interacts with the elements in the, okay, with the help of images. Okay, in Selenium we use locators like by.id, by.xpath, by.name. In Sikuli it uses images. It captures whatever the images, okay, whatever the elements you need, just take the picture, take the photograph of that particular, okay, element, store it somewhere, and then Sikuli will work. Sikuli will read that particular image, it will try to find that particular image on the web page, and then it will perform click option. Okay, so let's see, I want to, the moment I enter this particular URL, what exactly it does, it is showing this particular, see, pause icon is there. So what I'll do, uh, I'll take the screenshot of this particular pause. Okay, so how to take the screenshot? Simple, print screen in Windows, and in Mac what we have to do, we have to press Command Shift 4. Okay, So I have to take the screenshot only for this particular small area, only for this particular icon. Guys, be careful while taking the screenshot. No need to take the screenshot for the full screen, only the specific area. See, can you see that? This one. Okay, I'll take screenshot of this. Okay, and then I want to click on this, you know, button, mute button also. The first time it will be like this. Okay, guys, let me mute it. So what I'll do that I click on it. Okay, so how to do that? Well, let's forget about this mute. Okay, and after that, what we have to do? We have to first pause it, and okay, first we have to play it. So this is the play image. So I'll take the screenshot of play image also. So again, take the screenshot of this play image. Okay, guys, I'll take it once again because it has to be clear. See, I'll take it like this. Now this is the play image. Fine. So two images I have taken. And what else I'll do? I want to click on this settings. Okay, the settings icon also. So again, I'll take the screenshot of this one, the settings with HD. This one I have taken. Fine. And then what I want to click on this settings. I want to click on this auto 1080H HD also. Okay. So let's do that. So simple, I click on this. I'll take the screenshot of this image also. Okay, guys. So this is image, and then I'll click on it, and then I'll want to click on 144p. Okay, I want to make it 144p. So I'll take the screenshot of this 144p. Fine. So what I'm doing, the moment I'm coming on this page and I'm clicking on this pause and play, and then I'm clicking on this settings, clicking on this auto 1080 whatever, and then clicking on 144p, something like this. Okay, guys. So how to do that? Okay. So if you see, all the images are available here on my desktop. I have taken the screenshot. So if you see, all these images are here. See, 144p. This is a .png file, guys. This is auto 1080 HD. This is settings. This is play, guys. So I'll remove this to play screenshot we have taken. So I'll remove this one. Let me move to trash. And this is for pause. So what I'll do, and these four images are required. So I'll change the name accordingly. Let's see, for this is the pause image. Okay. So I'll write YouTube underscore pause dot, some proper name I'm giving, YouTube underscore pause dot png. Okay, this one I'm giving YouTube underscore play dot png. Fine. This one I'll say YouTube underscore settings dot png. Okay, this one I'll say, let's see, auto. I'll simple, let's see, I'll say YouTube underscore auto dot png. All these either you can use jpg or png. Okay, and then here I'll use, let's see, 144p. So I'll use YouTube underscore 144p dot png. Okay, guys. So I have taken all these YouTube images. Okay, icon images. This one, fine. This one, pause, play, and settings. And I'll copy all these images and I'll store in my project. I'll open my Eclipse, and this is my project. So I'll just right click on it and then paste it. So you will see all these 4 or 5 images I have stored over here. Okay, guys. Now what we have to do? Now we have to use Sikuli. How to use Sikuli? In Sikuli, one class is there that is called screen class. Okay. So what we have to do? We have to create the object of screen class, which is coming from Sikuli. Okay. So how to create the object of, so one screen class is there. Let's see, screen s is equal to new screen. Okay, and this screen, guys, be careful, it's available in sikuli-script. Don't import it from this sun.jna, import it from sikuli-script. Okay, so sikuli's class I have imported. And what we have to do, we have another class that is called pattern class. So we have to define the pattern for the specific image. Let's see, first pattern I have to do, what I have to do. The first time if I'm coming on this particular page, what exactly it is doing? It is, first time it is pause. So we have to click on this pause image. Okay, pause button. So what I'll do, simple, I'll create one pattern class object. Okay, so simple, I'll write pattern pause image is equal to new pattern. Okay, new pattern. And what is your pattern name, for which image you want to talk? Okay, so let's see, I'm talking about this one. Okay, my file name is yt_png. Okay, so this is my file name. I'll pass in the constructor of pattern like this. So what is a pattern? This is a pattern pause.png. You can give any name, guys. Okay, ab.png or abcd.png, pause.png, whatever. And this pattern class is available in Sikuli, so import it. And this is my object name. You can give any object reference name. And what we have to do, we have to use simple this pattern. After that, what we have to do, we have to use, by using this screen class as object s dot, one method is there that we have to wait, okay, for that particular element to be visible. It means for that particular image to be visible. So we have one wait, this particular wait. And what is it, what image? For this particular image we have to wait. So for pause image, and how much time you want to wait? Let's say I want to wait for 2 seconds, 2000 milliseconds. Okay, guys, so pause image. Okay, and then this, so it is showing some, okay, handle through exception, add throws declaration, fine. And after waiting for 2 seconds, then we have to click on it. So we have, how to click on that particular image, s dot click. Okay, guys, s dot click, I'm clicking on it. It's very simple. First create the object of a screen class, then create the object of pattern class. For which pattern you want to perform? I want to perform for this particular pause pattern. Okay, I have to click on this pause icon, right, guys? And then wait for that particular image, wait for 2 seconds, and then click on it. Fine. So let's see if it is running or not. So till here, this is my Selenium code, and this is my Sikuli code. So I mean, I have integrated my Selenium code with Sikuli, right? So it will open this particular URL, YouTube video, and then let's see what happens. So if you run this program, just run it, and if you see Google Chrome is getting launched, see, it did not click. Actually it clicked, but it clicked only once. Just a minute, guys. Yeah, see, now it clicked. Okay, so what exactly is happening, guys? See, the moment it's launching this particular video, it's just clicking on it. But in YouTube, the problem is you have to click 2 times. Okay, so what we have to do, first time it is coming like this, we have to click on it. So it's somewhere it's clicking on it, but it's not, it's clicking on it, but action is not getting performed. So sometimes what happens with Sikuli, that you're clicking on a specific image, but it is not happening. So 2 times we have to click. So how to do that? So I'll write s dot click once again. Okay, now let's run it again. Let's see. Okay, guys, so let's run it again. So let the Chrome launched. See, guys, automatically it clicked over there. Automatically, see, my mouse was here. Automatically mouse moved from here to here and it clicked on it. Okay, if you want, I'll repeat it again. I'll execute this again. Let's run it again. Guys, see, automatically it got stopped. Okay, see, because of these advertisements and all these things are coming, so you're not able to see that, but it's clicking on this thing. Okay, this pause icon over there. Initially it was like this, it was clicking on it. Okay, so what I'll do now, let me close this. See, it's clicking. If you can see the logs also, click on this particular image 2 times. So it clicked on it without any error. Now what I want to create the same pattern for, I'll create the same pattern for, so this is for, guys, this is for pause icon. Okay, now I'll do it for play icon. So I'll create one play image pattern, play image, and what is my play image name? YT underscore play. So I'll reuse dot png, wait for 2 seconds, and then click on it. So first time what exactly it will do, guys? It will first pause it and then again play it. See it carefully once again. It's launching. See. Okay. When we created Ferrero. Sorry for this disturbance, guys. But yeah, see, it clicked first pause, play like this. So it clicked 2 times pause and then play like this. Okay, so this is how we are performing. We are simulating pause and play buttons. Okay, sometimes what happens that okay, no need to write 2 clicks. But especially in Flash objects, sometimes what happens, okay, through Sikuli that you have to perform 2 times dot click you have to use. Okay, although I'm not a big fan of Sikuli, but sometimes you may need that, these kind of things. Now let's see one more thing that I want to come over here and I want to click on the settings. Okay, so let's do it. And what I'll do, I'll create the pattern for settings now. And first time immediately after screen, I'll do that. Okay, let's see for settings image. Settings image and settings image yt underscore settings. Okay, and click on it. Same thing after settings, what I'll do, so this is for settings. Okay, and then after settings I'll click on this settings, I'll click on this auto 360p. Okay guys, but we have taken, see, the auto image is this, we have taken auto 1080p. Let's see it's working or not till, okay, settings, we are able to click on it or not. Okay, let's run it. Okay, see, it came over here and see it clicked, and 2 times it's clicking on play and pause automatically. Okay guys, see, I'll run it again, don't worry. It's so fast that you are not able to see that. Just a minute, let me run it again. See my mouse over here. Be alert. Right? So first it clicked on settings and then it came over here automatically. Okay guys? So after settings, what I want after settings, I want to click on this auto 144p. Okay, so let's do that. After settings, I'll create the pattern for auto image, auto option. Let's see, auto, and my file name is yt underscore auto.png and wait for 2 seconds, and let's see. I want to let's comment these things. I don't want to play with pause, play and pause, and let's see it is working or not. See my mouse over here, it clicked, and see it is not clicking on auto 360p. Why? Because see, see the still it's trying to search. Let's see. It will not click on it. Why? Because the picture of this particular YT underscore auto we have taken for this auto 180 1080 HD. Okay, we have taken this particular picture. Okay, but here it is showing this particular picture auto 360p. Okay, see the difference, guys. This is auto 1080 and this is in the actual thing it is coming auto 360p. So let's take auto 360p image. Okay, so I have that image, I think, in the different projects. Let me take that. See, auto360.png, I'll copy over here. Okay, and I'll replace this auto 360pg like this, auto underscore 360p.png, and then we'll click on it on image and then auto 360p. Then I'll select, let's see, I want to select 360p. Now I'll take the screenshot of 360p, guys. Okay, let's see, do I have 360p? Yes, 360p. It will click on it, and okay, now I want to click on this 144p. So 144p I have. Okay, so I'll create the pattern for 144p also. Let's see, 144p image. Okay, I'll give the proper name, that p, let's see, like this, guys, 144p. Okay, and yt underscore 144 p.png. Now see carefully. First it will click on settings, then auto 360p. Here auto 360p, it will click on it, and then it will click on 144p. Okay, it will click on 144p. Now let's see it is running or not. It's launching Google Chrome. My mouse is over here, guys. See, it came over here, it clicked on settings, it should click on 360p, it should click on 144p immediately. Okay, guys, so this is how we perform this thing. Okay, this is how we perform image processing, image, especially for flash objects, especially for YouTube. So they might ask you at a time of interview that how will you automate YouTube videos. So don't say that I can inspect it, right, driver.find element by.xpath of this. No, I cannot do that. See, if you right click on it, you cannot inspect, you cannot inspect these elements. These are flash objects. You cannot inspect this through Firebug and Firepath. You cannot inspect these settings and this full screen and cinema mode and all those things. You cannot do that. These are flash objects. So in that case, what you have to do, you have to use Sikuli. You need a tool who can, okay, understand on the basis of images, something like that, and you can perform on anyone. Let's see, I want quickly what I want. uh, Sorry, I'll create another class. Okay, let's see for the actual, let's see, Google test quickly, and then select the main method and click on finish, and I launch google.com with WebDriver. So from here to here, and I'll use www.google.com. Okay, and what I want on google.com, I'll open, let's see, google.com. Okay, guys, and what I want on google.com, Let's see, I want to click on this Google search button with Sikuli, although we can use by.xpath. But let's see, with Sikuli, I want to click on it. So what I'll do, I'll capture the screenshot of this particular image. See, okay, I'll capture the screenshot of this image, and I'll take that screenshot. My screenshot is here. This is a screenshot of Google search, this image. Let's see, this is Google underscore search dot png file. Okay, and where it is, here it is, Google search underscore png. I'll copy this and I'll store over here in my project. So this is my Google search dot png, and what I'll do, simple, I'll create the screen class object, screen s is equal to new screen, and import it from Sikuli screen, import it from Sikuli, right? And then what I'll do, I have to do a pattern. So for pattern, I'll copy this code. Simple. Okay, pattern. For which pattern? For Google search pattern. This is my image name. So this is my .png image name, pattern, and add throws declaration. And let's see, this is my Google. Let's see, this is my search button image like this. Wait for 2 seconds and then click on it. Okay, let's see it is working or not. So after launching Google Chrome, it should click on search button. So we are not using driver.findelement by.xpath.click. Let's see with Sikuli it is working or not. Okay, see, it's clicking on it. Automatically my mouse was over here, it's moving over here. Okay, or let's see if you want to click on this sign in link. So I'll do one thing. Okay guys, just a minute. I'll click on, after Google search, I'll click on sign in link also. So I'll take the screenshot of this. Okay, and this sign in is available here on my desktop. Okay, and then I'll change the name, sign in dot png, and I'll copy this and store in my project. Number of images I'm maintaining like this, and then I'll create the pattern for sign in image. Sign in image, and my name is this, sign in dot png, and then click on it. So what exactly it will do, it will click on sign in link. This is this button, it will click on it. Okay, let's see it is working or not. Let's see. Okay, see, it's clicking on it and then it's clicking on this sign in. See, it's moving over here automatically, right? So you can automate with all these things, but you have to take the images for each and everything. Okay, so although these things can be done by using Selenium easily, driver.find element we have, but some objects are available which cannot be inspected. Let's see some calendar, third-party calendar you are using. In that case, you cannot do that. You cannot do anything. Okay, so for the flash objects or flash images or some videos, okay, in that case you can use Sikuli. Sikuli, the concept here is, it first we have to capture images, and it performs the action on the basis of image. It compares an image, whatever the image available on on the page, and whatever the screenshot that you have taken, you have given which file image you have given, it will compare and then it will perform action accordingly. Okay, so this is for Sikuli. Okay guys, it's very simple. They might ask you at a time of interviews, And sometimes if you stuck somewhere, you're not able to click on any button or something, then in that case Sikuli you can use. I have seen some e-commerce applications, okay, in my previous companies where I have used Sikuli once, and some components, let's see, flash objects or flash buttons were there, shockwave buttons were there. They were using very special some, Adobe technologies they were using, so it was not able to click on it. Especially, let's say you want to automate PDF, you want to check the PDF header and PDF content, something like that. PDF header or PDF title, what exactly that PDF title is written over there, the highlights, okay, the PDF, the first title header, okay, those things can be done easily with Sikuli. So please, you guys, practice, and if you like this video, please share with your friends. And okay, it's a great learning, you should know, you can write in your resume also that Sikuli, okay, integration with Sikuli and Selenium, like this. Please subscribe the video and please share it with, okay. Thank you so much, guys.